So just a couple more example problems just to make sure I can show you all the different types of problems you might get. So first things first, we're going to do number times number. 6 times 4 is 24. Now, we're only going to multiply the same letter together, so we can do the j's. So we have a j squared and a j, and then we have a k all by itself. So this is to the first power, and this is to the first power. So for the j's, I'm going to add these two together. So it's going to be 24, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So I've got 3 j's. And then the k, I can just bring it down. It's not being multiplied by any other k's, so it stays the same. If you want to write the 1 in for that k, you can, but you'll never see that on an answer choice, so I'm not going to put it. I want you to understand that k to the first power and k are both the same thing. Here's another example where we have an integer for one of our exponents. Same thing. You're going to do number, so coefficient times coefficient. 3 times 3 is 9. And now we have our r's. So 1 is to the power of 3, and we're multiplying it by to the power of -2. And again, we're not really multiplying, we're adding. So we have a 9, an r, and then 3 plus -2 is 1. So this is r to the first power. But we don't write that 1, we just leave it as 9r. So sometimes you're going to have negative exponents, and that's okay. You just still add it like normal.